Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to find call recording on Infinix Android phone. So let's go. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. The next thing you need to do is to select the particular call that you record on your Infinix Android phone. So I'm going to use this particular call right here. So what we want to do is to make sure we click on here to open out the call history log. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on call recordings. So click on that. Then you have all recording file right here. 1, 2, 3. It depends on the number of times you record the call so far. And here you can easily click on here to play all the audio recording so far. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.